Hello everyone, I do hope you're well. I've got some new stainless steel cat charms today and they're the same both sides, so they're 3D, and I'm going to make some earrings and necklaces today. You will find everything I use on my website, which I'll link below for you. There you'll find handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. So what am I using today? I've got some stainless steel, because these are stainless steel earring wires. These are 7mm jump rings and these are 6mm jump rings. I'm using a stainless steel necklace chain, and also I'm going to do one on a black cord. Really simple to do. You'll need 2 pairs of pliers for opening and closing the jump rings. I've gone for the thinner ones. I think these are 0.7 in thickness, because obviously the holes on these are quite small. You'll definitely get a 1mm through though if you want to. So we take the jump ring, there's a small split, we twist sideways, then I take an earring wire. It doesn't really matter what way you put it on because it is the same both sides. And then close. Same again. Attach the earring wire and then close. Make sure there's no gaps. If there is, just go back. It's bank holiday weekend here in the UK, and we took ourselves off to the Wye Valley yesterday. I've got a video up if you want to have a look. I'll link it for you. And absolutely beautiful. We went to an old train station and then went for a walk. Lovely place, so have a look if that interests you. So we've got the earrings done. Now with the necklaces, just take this off. Oh. If you wanted, you could keep that on. It's up to you. These necklace chains are 20 inches in length. Again, these are 1mm thickness. So I hope you all had a lovely weekend. What have you been doing? Let me know in the comments below, or any projects that you're working on. I generally love to know what you all do, how you all are. That's fine. And then let's do this one. I'm going to have to open this quite wide to fit through. There we go. with stainless steel, when you've finished making your jewellery, just give it a little polish, because it does pick up easily fingerprints. See it on there now, but I don't know if I've got a polish these afterwards, but see how shiny it makes it compared to, I'm not sure if you'll see, but these have got my fingerprints and marks on them. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I have lots of tutorials available, ideal for the complete jewellery beginner. I do share other videos as well of days out, holidays, but I'd love to have you on board. So thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.